Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. We have a really quick video today. I bought a couple of small items from Chanel and Louis Vuitton, and really it was just not, I was not going to do a video for each of them. I've bought them throughout the last month and I thought, well, let me just share them in one quick video, and that's what we're going to do today. Additionally, I am going to be wearing my sunglasses for the next couple of videos, so I went ahead and took a couple of my bags out of the dust bags because I thought, well, let me give you some eye candy since you're going to be looking at these things for a little while. That being said, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, I hope you click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And now let's get into it. All right, the first two items are from Louis Vuitton, and they are the exact same thing. I've already opened one. I've left this one in the package so that we can go ahead and unbox it together. And let's go ahead and do that. They both came with the ribbon, and this is an item that I had pre-ordered for some time. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen it, and it is the beautiful Louis Vuitton pocket organizer from the Cloud collection. This is from the men's collection by Virgil, and it is part of the Fall Winter 2021 collection. It is coated canvas with leather trim, and inside it's your regular pocket organizer with 3 credit card slots right here, and then it has some additional slots that you can also use, like here, here, and in the back. Now this one in particular was made in France. See if the camera will pick that up there. And what's interesting, or I thought it was interesting, is these pocket organizers were made in France, Italy, Spain, and the United States. And I picked up 2 because I have 2 sons. One of them definitely wants it. He saw it back in the day when I pre-ordered it, and he loved it. So I went ahead and made sure that I got a second one, because when you have 2 sons, you really don't want them to argue over something. So this is the first item, and let's go ahead and pull the other one out. And I've already looked at this one, same thing, and it is also made in France. So I guess I just got lucky, but there they are. They're beautiful. I thought the pocket organizer with this pattern was really, really pretty. And here they are. So this is the first item. Very excited. And so now I will go ahead and give them to my sons because I've shared with you. The next item is one that I wasn't sure if I was going to get, and then decided I wanted it. You're going to know what it is. I did get the beautiful, beautiful bag, and it is the Louis Vuitton California Dream perfume, which came in this beautiful, beautiful box. If you purchased the item, they gave you this spectacular bag, which is with pinks and blues, just really, really beautiful. And just a quick, to show you quickly, came in like this. This is the presentation, and this is the perfume bottle, which again has the same color pattern as the bag and the box. Just show you that. And the other thing that I took advantage is Louis Vuitton gives you free engraving if you would like. So I did have my initials engraved right in front of the bottle. Hopefully you can see it right there. And I love this scent. I am someone that does not like to try new scents. I'm really traditional. I use one or two perfumes. I've been using the Rose Devant perfume from Louis Vuitton since they launched it. It's my favorite. And this, I tried this one and then I really, really fell in love with it. I think it's a light perfume. It's got mandarin in it, but it's not a heavy perfume. At least I don't think so. So I'm loving it. This is the second item that I picked up from Louis Vuitton. Last but not least, we have Chanel. And this also came with a beautiful ribbon. However, I purchased my things from Nordstrom in Seattle. So when I receive them, I really have to open them and check them out. So I took off the ribbon, but it came in this cute little box. And when you see it, you're probably gonna say, Isabel, I thought you said you weren't gonna get anything like this, but here's the little booklet. Here is the Nordstrom receipt. And any guesses? What do you think I got? All right. Hopefully you have left your guess in the comment section below. And I have not taken anything off of them so that I could show you everything and give you all the information. And they are these beautiful, beautiful earrings. Here you go. Let me take the other one out. And I know I just bought a pair of earrings, and I said I liked the ones I bought because they were understated, classic, and elegant, which they are. However, when I saw these, I was like, oh, if I'm gonna get a pair of big earrings, I think these are gonna be it. So it's the classic CCs in gold. It says Chanel on the CCs. Hopefully you can see it. And then right up here, it also says Chanel. And these are for pierced ears, which is the only thing I like to wear. I don't like to wear clip earrings. And I'm gonna go ahead and put them on for you, but I'm also going to share the information. I think these went pretty fast. I'm not sure if they're still available. And honestly, I bought them because I was a little frustrated because I was trying to purchase, I was on the list to purchase the Chanel 19 bag in the small size in the beige color. And I didn't get it. Somebody else took it and I just never, they didn't get another one. So I was very, very upset. And when she showed me this, I was like, kind of like, okay, I'll take them. So that's what they look like. I think they're pretty. I mean, I think there's an occasion for these type of earrings. I mean, I would not wear these to work but I think that definitely they are very, very pretty and, oh, I like them. Again, these are from the, I think these are from the, what does it say here? 20A. It says 20A. And I'll leave you the information below. I know that at the particular Nordstrom that I shop at, they received, I think, one pair, which sold right away. And then she was able to get the second pair. She was able to get me these, so. All right, my friends, that is the short video for today. I wanted to share these beautiful items that I picked up, like I said, within the last 3 to 4 weeks. Let me know if you purchased any of these items or if you are trying to purchase any of these items. And take care of yourself, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.